Oh, we got blueberry muffins. One each. Sit down and eat it before you drop it on the ground.
Oh, look, here's the blueberry.
Sit down properly.
Blueberries are really good on me. What should we get the baby, huh?
Yeah, just give her a little bit in front of her. I'll just give it to her.
Look at that.
There you go. We just watch her with it. That's all. Yummy, huh? Is that nice? There's one open there if you want. Let's just put these up here. You can grab it from up there, see? Sit, Shayla, up there. Look at you. I think I'm going to sit next to you so you don't drop it. I should have bought a spare pack. Good? Who's saying it? Bigger than your face, has he?
This? I get. Look at her. She can't eat it.
Hey?
Yeah. Put it in there.
Look at her biting into it.
You got all over your face, Chandelle.
That's chocolate.
That is blueberries.
Okay, so we're just cooking some rice for lunch.
Get it ready now.
Okay,
I don't forget later. Someone gave away a plastic playground down the road. It's a big one. I don't know what it looks like, but we're going to try and build it. Looks like it's got a water attachment to it.
I know, I saw that.
There's Pumpkin.
She's scared of water. Hi, Pumpkin. You look half ginger cat and half a black cat.
Other hands now.
Azzy, why have you got a face mask in your hand? And you just threw it on the floor. Why'd you do that? Okay, arm wrestling.
CHELECE, no cheating. 3, 2, 1,
One to go.
no cheating.
Arms have to stay.
3, 2, 1, go.
She's gonna lose because she's laughing.
No! She won.
Cheating? This way now. 3, 2, 1, go. CHELECE. Oh, this one. I love that one. That's cheating. How is your day?
Oh, Orison, of course you're gonna win.
Okay, all the bits. I wonder if all the bits are here. I'm not sure what it is. We'll just look up the brand.
Let's start bringing all these pieces.
Yeah, you sort out all the pieces, and I'll look up the brand and see if we can find out what it is. Yeah, you get all the slides. Luna's gonna help you by just putting a dirty chew toy everywhere. This is like a castle, is it?
Yeah.
Where's that long piece? Yeah. I think you can attach a hose.
There's another one of those.
Is there?
There's meant to be 3 of them.
Put a hose on there, don't you? Yeah, water comes through. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Oh, look, here's the holes like that.
Alright, here's all the bits. How to build it, I don't know. It doesn't seem to be coming on the internet. What are we going to do? Build it?
Yeah. Oh, baby, don't put that
I'd say these grey walls go with that thing.
It's hot.
We'll figure it out.
So far, this is what we got. Hi. Peekaboo.
Oh, my God.
I see you. You've been helping Mom? Oh. I don't know.
We have to build another thing. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know what it is.
This is how far we've gone. You sure this is a slide? No, it doesn't look like a slide.
Yeah, it's like a thing, but you can use it going as a slide or you can do what you want.
That's so Wow. Mom's good at building. Wrong side. This side. Take it out. There we go.
This is love climb.
I don't know.
Yeah, there is, and there's a bit missing. Here.
That's some extra bits, so let's try and make a big bit out.
Ooh. You want to see a turtle? Splash. Look. What happened? You want to see? Come here, come here. I don't know. Did you fall? Alright. Hold this baby.
Alright, I think we're finished. We have heaps of spare bits because this bit, there should be another bit of that. It's missing the roof.
Okay, I fixed it.
And we got it. 1, 2 spares. Well, you like it?
It looks cool.
Well, now we got to connect the water, so let's get a hose happening, hey?
What does this block do? Oh, there's another spare bit.
Yeah, you can put that in there.
I made a mistake. What?
You can put that in there. If you lift this up. Hop up, Bubby.
This one's gonna play.
No, put that one here on this side. You could still use the swings. Go on, see if it works. You can just move it over a bit if you want. Oh, I got that connected here. We've got to put the water on that now. Oh, don't swing on that. It'll come out. Alright, let's go and get our bathers on. At least we got it in the shade now, so that's good. What's baby up to? Can you access the door there? I didn't think of that. Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Look, Azzy.
You know what? She's climbing up there and then swinging on the rest.
Missing the screw bits here. That's good because you can just take it off and use the water.
Look what she's doing. She'll climb up here and then she'll swing on the row.
Baby, you got a new cubby house. You don't play with her. She uses the old one.
Ooh.
Oh, she would have fallen on that.
You might put a bit of grass over that.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go get our bathers on.
Yeah.
Okay, we are connected. Where's CHELECE gone? Take that roof off. You will?
What does it do? What does it do? Oh!
There you go. Let's go water out.
Oh, you don't like the water? You don't like the water? Oh. That just went blasting out. I didn't know it would do that. You like it now, ASRIAL? ASRIAL, you like it?
Look at the green tables ready, please.
You're still going in the pool?
Yummy.
Some stag.
Hungry? How did you get the big one? You've got the baby's one. There we go. You sit in the middle there. That's it.
How many?
What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Good? See if we got time to go in the pool. Did you have fun with your new play house? What is it? Play gym?
That's a play gym?
Yeah, you like the play gym?
You said it's a castle.
Do again?
Oh, you said that's a castle.
Yeah, it is a bit of like a castle.
Is this still running outside? Yeah. No? Yeah.
You turn the water off?
Did you turn it off? Yeah.
Come on, Azzy. Oh, straight in. I'm going to have to hose the filter out while you're in here. first in. Who put a skateboard in the pool? Mm.
That is freezing. I got it.
Quick, tip him off. That got you in. Your turn, CHENA. You finish your watermelon. Take it off her. Oh, I'm going to clean this out while you guys are playing there. I was working, it's just a little bit slow because it's cluttered. You want to do it? You gotta put your finger here and squirt it, see? That's good. I'm good. That's good. And yourself. Have some fruit, guys. Then I go take the blood test in hospital, I hope. As long as there's not too much traffic. We couldn't get there yesterday.
Yeah.
Banked up. Is that yum? Oh, yum. Just put it back, Ezzy. Who's going flying off first? CHENA or CHALAY?
Nope, I'm holding 5.
ORISEN. What happened to the one hand thing? CHELECE went flying off first. Did Chandelle take your seat in the swing? Not looking at me? Hold on. You'll go flying. You want to go on there?
Okay, now someone push it.
Hey, Ozzy. CHELECE, you push it super fast. I don't get. Okay, someone. Better than ORIEN and me. Oh, I can do the one hand challenge.
Getting dark, we have to go. You had enough?
Yeah.
Yes? Go and have something to eat? No, okay.
So we're just moving out the freezer.
Someone offloaded their fruit to us, huh? You need a fruit fish, huh?
Yeah.
We'll just leave this here for now.
Right?
Yeah. Put in the old fresco.
Hey, look at that.
Just fruits, look at this.
Oh, just food. What about the other one? Open the door.
Same. I want to see how I explain it.
This is the water high. That's what you need to touch.
That fridge we got over there doesn't store much water at all.
Yeah,
This is a water tank.
That's
Sorry,
the
Lily.
water.
I'll start with washing this up. We'll give it a good clean and be done.
The spring rolls
Oh, good work.
are coming in.
Taylor.
We're getting ready to eat. Alright, younger kids, who's hungry? Now you have to be careful there. Some on one side. Yummy.
These are steamy hot.
That watermelon soy sauce. Here comes baby. Yummy? Let's move this over here. There, put all the chili here. Put the baby over there where the soy sauce is. She dips in the chili and puts back. No, she
I've got
wants
some cool ones. No, those are hot.
Right, don't. She just jumped off. Luna.
Wow, this is different. Why is there water in there?
Let me come this way.
Why is there
Door
water
swings the wrong way.
Water is to fill up your home.
All clean. Oh, don't spill it.
Don't spill it.
Why?
This water? This hot water? Whoa, this is huge. So you just put fruit in there? What did you do?
What do you want to say, fridge? Someone's got water in it already. Is that nice?
He wants to
Right,
see us hot.
who's in the shower first? CHENA, off you go. Bye.